JTM, igama lami nginokwazi Motha, ngibheka uprom yaKaSomnjalose High School. Ingubo yami ibe ngu-700, isicathulo sami saba ngu-500, kwase kwathi i-make yami yaphusa 600, imbathi
Nami ngufundiswa Gama Somnjalose High School. Was today in prom, so I decided to wear red. It's red. It's giving that thing. It does come closer thing, you know. Like yeah, we are here to have fun. So we enjoy it as my girls nathi. Never fun about like nathi. Yeah.
Nigga, Miss Green. Share igama lakho Miss Green outfit yakho ukuthi inspire show inamhla.
Igama lami Msentandla makadlani ngimfundisa Somnjalose. Lana stele i-third function nasisteleona tishela be. And I decided to wear green because on regime for my school. And so it's so being Sunday Monday on the 2020, then it's 10 o'clock on 2020.
Beautiful. Next.
For a prom, you took a red because favorite fan. And you know, ish,
igama lami nginiki ngakaZulu, next to me ngukhulekani Dlamini. Oh, like sikela kaSomnjalose, it's a farewell function, so like yeah,
so I got twins, so I didn't just design my own design. Yes, so that's all.
So it's beautiful.
It's cheap if you end up your own design, just use your hands.
My name is Somnjalose Pepelo and I'm here with
Ladies Kwanzaa.
and we're here at prom at Somnjalose High School.
We're very happy having it's a great day. Looking forward to it. Great.
Everything you can see here has been done by our lovely mom. Thank you so much.
Shout out to her.
Nice.
This is Professor Somnjalose. Today is our prom. So Nami is the prom today. The way they're talking is just because it's beautiful. So that's why I chose it. Yes, this is our last day at school, so we have to celebrate. Dibugo Donatello was there 150. Yes. The styling the Baba Show, Jaman.
There are some thank yous that must be said before this day collapse. The pillar of our success to the administration and the school leadership. Your vision and steady hand have not only kept this institution running, but have nurtured a community where we could truly strive. You manage the logistics, the challenges, and the complexities of running a school, allowing us to focus on growing, learning. Thank you for believing in us and for providing the stage for us to strive. To the teachers, you look beautiful, my teachers. You are the actual heroes of this entire 5 years. You show potential we didn't know we had. You stayed when we didn't want. You stayed late to explain that one concept, that one last time. And you graded papers until the morning hours of the morning. You were mentors, and sometimes the only thing standing between us and the complete academic chaos. You didn't just teach us subjects, you taught us how to think, how to question, and how to perceive. Thank you for your tireless guidance. Now to the fellow Form 5 and grade 11 graduates. 5 years. It sounds so simple, right? It sounds so simple, but it feels like a lifetime packed into a single breath. We came as nervous as often. Grade 8, barely able to navigate the halls, let alone high school itself. And look at us now. Actually, look at us today, looking so stunning. Ready to walk out those gates as graduates. We have shared countless late nights studying. Inside jokes, unexpected victories on the sports field, and maybe a few tears when the pressure was high.
I thought we were going to wear jeans, but if you look at the teachers, they are trying to steal the show. Unfortunately, the learners raised the bar. Thank you, learners, for raising the bar. We are coming to you, and greetings to Mage Masina, our evergreen chairperson. Mage, you have made us achieve a lot of things with your school committee. We are grateful to have such a school committee that can allow such events to be hosted by the school. And the learners have just paid a minimal of 100 Malang in the school, has provided the food and the other things. Last Friday, we had a speech and prize hosted here, a successful one, of course, and launching of the traditional uniform. It is because of your leadership, Mage. Before you even leave planet Earth, we want to say thank you for everything that you have done as a leader to the school, representing parents. Kumnanzi kusebenza nawe, Mage. Amenshayela intandla. Nimuphe naleli ngamphakola. To our guests, thank you for choosing us. I know people choose St. Francis, some people they choose St. Mark's. You decided to choose St. Somnjalose. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We remember when you came, we remember when you were young, but we want to appreciate that you decided to come to the school. May I make an open invitation to the people of Ezulwini to choose Somnjalose. Somnjalose is not just an academic institution, but here we allow learners to do so many things. As you can see, there was this, what do you call it? African dance. Just on Monday, I was watching our very own Pamad who won an award, national award for my poems. So we are a school, but still we get the results. We produced a top student last year to prove that results are here and everything is here. So do tell the other people around Zulu that doors are opened at Somnjalose for them. This coming Saturday, we will be admitting a grade 8 learners. And we have successfully piloted the 4-year program with these people who are graduating in grade 11 just today. And can you clap hands for them? People are not clapping hands. Actually, sometimes you must clap hands even before you are invited when the point is shy. Number 2, we want to congratulate you. You made us proud in Form 3. We believe that the results will be good even this year in Form 5 because you were dedicated and siyakholelwa lokho.
Ngibongela ukuthi we have made it through lesigaba lendlu kuso ngile sabo teenage nesibona sabo teenage kube kunenge lokuvukako so siyanibongela ukuthi we have made it up to this far ni conquerishe ivele bengabadilingo la ndleleni nina conquerisha nafika khona so you are conquerors already sanivele ni you are bound for success lebeka ukhuluma ngayo Mr. Mamba. And ke ngifuna ukuthi nisaqhubeka with that nikhumbule ukuthi lokunisaphuma namhlanje ngivile nje umphakathi nakathi batali next year back ngathi ngibafuna batali but please don't forget you are still under your parents care ngakusho ke lokho you still need your parent never in fact nosenemntali ubusisekile noma ngabe uthi umntali but nawukhona nomdzalo obuke kuye ungamlahli umuntu omdzalo utamdzinga along the way so ungasho nje ukuthi ngicedzile esikolwa mina angisadzinga any guidance natimela mina you still need a father figure you still need a mother figure in your life.
Today celebrates our function in my Form 5 and my grade 11. Kanza kwa head teacher, committee school and official but successful. Thank you to JTM Media for being available for us.
Kamalami simple abangithimba bengifunza ka Somnjalose singathi ukuthi siboya kakhulu JTM Media ukuthi abe khona ukuthi sidakhona nathi ibona ithombe tabo dihle impela iyabukeka kakhulu siyasibonga.
Bonani igama lami nguzibonise Similane ka Somnjalose High School besine farewell function sibonga ku JTM Media kuba nathi asinikethe such a wonderful experience siyabonga kakhulu.
Hey guys, my name is Lenta Hatebe. I'm a former student of Somnjalose High School. I would just like to thank JTM Media for sharing such an amazing moment with us. So shout out to JTM Media.
Igama lami ngumqomo kaMhlanga Sibongo ngiyathonza bonga kakhulu baka JTM Media ukuthi bethu batosupporta la ka Somnjalose High School. Sibonga kakhulu netithombe sakubona eka YouTube sibonga nema videos ayabonakala. Sithemba bataqhubeka basupport nyakulo minyaka lesatawulandzela kwabo.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngisebenza ngamakhanya ngifundza Somnjalose High School. So shout out to JTM Media. Siyabonga ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje as we prom yet. So we love you. Please subscribe. Igama lami ngumele Tangatinga State Somnjalose High School business prom. Siyabonga ukuthi baka JTM Media betekela ngashela. Shout out to them.